Okay, your total is $28.75.
No, it's not. Wakata! I love doing that. Let me do it again, okay? Ready? Wakata!
You know it's double coupon day.
Double que?
Each of these coupons is worth double. And if you combine these and these, you can get like 8 ketchups for the price of 1.
But that's an 87.5% savings. Why don't people do that every day?
Double coupons are only on Wednesdays on select items. Plus, who needs that much ketchup?
For 87.5%, I will eat it like a soup and put it in my coffee. I'm gonna need a bigger cart.